This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious collard green dip. First, you will gather all your ingredients, including fresh collard greens and various dairy products. Next, prepare the greens by washing, stemming, and chopping them. Then, you will sauté aromatics and cook the greens until they are tender. Finally, combine the cooked greens with cheeses and seasonings before baking. Proper preparation of your collard greens is key to a great dip. Begin by thoroughly washing each leaf under cool water to remove any dirt. Next, carefully remove the tough, fibrous stems from the center of each leaf. Then, chop the cleaned greens into small, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch. Briefly blanch or steam them to ensure they are tender for the dip. Now, let's create the flavorful base for your dip. Sauté diced onions and minced garlic in a pan until they are fragrant and translucent. Add your prepared collard greens to the pan, cooking them until they are tender. Stir in softened cream cheese, sour cream, and mayonnaise until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Finally, season generously with your favorite spices, perhaps a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. The final steps bring everything together for a perfect dip. Gently fold in a generous amount of shredded cheeses, like sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack, into your collard green mixture. Transfer this creamy blend into a suitable baking dish. Bake the dip at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until it's bubbly and golden. Serve this warm, comforting dip with your favorite crackers or toasted bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.